Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all safe. This is Abhishek reporting from the Bangalore and welcome back to my channel and thank you for the support of the fiero videos. Whatever I'm posting, I'm getting good feedbacks and views and all. So today I'm going to increase the suspension, height of the suspension. As I told you in the previous video, this is the bigger tire, so it is touching over there to the mudguard on the left side there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the rear suspension. So I bought old one, so we'll cut that ring and we'll weld it to this suspension. So height of the bike will get increased. As this is the fat tire, I am facing issues in the top speed and the instant pickup also came down. So let's see what I can do for that. As of now I'm just increasing the height of the suspension. So those are the old suspension, broken one, so I don't want anything from them, just the rings, as I told you. So they are welding on my suspension. That two suspension which I already got broken, I bought it from the mechanic shop, so they gave for free just to cut this part, because there is no use of that again, they can't do resetting on that. So they gave me, so I came here to welding shop and they're welding here. So you can see this process, that much height will get increased on the bike. So you don't need to spend much money on these guys. It will cost you somewhere around 50 to 60 bucks to weld those stuffs, and they won't get pay for that broken suspension if you know them. So this guy will do some of the other work also, chassis work. If you want to modify any chassis, he will do. So you can see the suspension now it's got increased and it won't touch anymore now. I'll show you the pick once everything is done. And one more thing, he does fiber welding as well. So this is the procedure. They will cut that mesh, this part, in the shape whichever they want, and they will heat it up and they will just put on the fiber so that it will go inside the fiber and it will hold that, it will get penetrated into that fiber part. As many of you facing the same issues, the clamps are getting broke, so you can do this. So that is the broken part. So they are joining together and they will just heat that mesh and they will keep it there and they will quench that immediately. Yes, that's it now. And the same procedure will follow to that crack. As we will open the whole thing when we want to do like a small work also, we have to open the old sheet. Because of that it will get crack here. This is a common problem in the fiero, and for that you can do the same procedure as well. See, that is the sheet, mesh sheet. They will cut and they will take a shape whichever they want and they will just do it. And it will work, guys. It's not like that after 2 to 3 days it will go off. No, not like that. It will be there. So now you can see clearly. Yes, that's it then. The same procedure, guys. There is no much difficulty in this, but we need proper tools. And one more clamp has been broken in this part, which will come over the tail lamp. So they are making the clamp actually for this piece. So this is the result. It's not shaking and it's holding properly without any vibrations. Just we have to put that screw, and you can see the height of the suspension from now, the difference between the bike and the rear tire. So finally everything is done. So this is the look of the bike after the suspension work. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and encourage me to do more videos like this.